have 3 pigs that break out, guys. One of them is that pregnant girl that you guys have seen. She is expecting piglets this Saturday. And we have that brown one that took brand service the other day. You guys see her? So we have 3 pigs that break out, guys. One of them is that pregnant girl that you guys have seen. She is expecting piglets this Saturday. And we have that brown one that took brand service the other day. You guys see her? OMG. And it's about to even rain. It pull off just one part or two part, because this one there, so all there, so watch the pig foot. Oh Jesus. So these 2 pens are empty, and let me see warehouse. I guess over here, yeah, over here is empty as well. So 3 of them break out, guys, and right now it's raining. Trust me, the work couldn't even get any harder right now, guys. Trust me. Hopefully we can get some work done. And we have a goat gone into the pen. Let me zoom down there. That's a goat over there. Hopefully we can get some work done. I want to put the things inside before they mess up the place, because right now it's raining. So I'll see you guys soon. It's still raining, guys. Y'all can see. And all the pens are so messy. Over there, over here we have the butcher and fish. I don't know it. So the rain kind of holding up right now. I'm so grateful. Yeah, these pens are really messy. Dirty pens. Even the piglets pen are dirty as well. Where pick them there? You see them? The 3 of them? Eh? Oh, alright. So we have them over in that bush right there. As you guys heard. Let me see if I can see any of the pigs. Oh, no, Sheila, that. A Sheila? Yeah. Jesus, look at that, looks like. we are chop. Yeah. Oh. There's one of the pigs, guys. And the other is right there, and the next one is somewhere around the place. Yeah. You finished chopping? You finished chopping, right? Yeah. Alright. Come. Guys, I'm trying to call the pigs, but they're not even coming. Come. Alright, so I'm gonna get this a stick and a bucket. Alright, so we have one coming. Come! He's coming now. Oh, that one there? Yeah. Why? I know the nail. Yeah. Oh shoot. So I go stay at the door? Yeah, I might just keep one by one then. One on a shield like that. I don't put Sheila in the sand, I can stay. You don't want to cut 4 pig one time? No, man, just do right. It's kind of hard already. Can't 3 of them out. Alright. Sheila, the way over there, so I say I can go get him to come. Yeah. So I'm going back to get the pig. Come! And I have not seen any sign of her. Wow. There she is, stubborn as hell. Choo. Go. Choo. Oh God, I'm tired. Come. Eh? Come. Jesus, it's the rain again. Yeah, I don't even know. See me? Yeah. You know right there, so. Oh God. This is a bad day, guys. First thing, 3 pigs came out, and then we have the rain. OMG. So I guess one is already in. Let me go around there. She's in. We're gonna fill that this up with some blocks. So I'm gonna be walking around the pen. OMG, look at this, guys. Trust me, when I tell you that pigs are disgusting, they are really disgusting. Look at this. Just look at this. Pigs are disgusting. If you don't have good energy and strong faith, don't raise pigs. Trust me. Because as they get a chance to break out, they're gonna break out. You better have good pen to hold them in, because this can be really stressful. So one of the sides of the board pen is off. I don't even know if this can hold them for too long, by the way. You know? I doubt it.
I just want to try back up the first, isn't it? Put in one top and put it on part and run 2 more rows.
And with the rain, just to add, I don't know if you guys realize that we add this piece of wood onto the wire to help hold it up, guys, because the pigs are getting really big, and whenever they jumped on the wire it keep bending down, and you know very soon they're gonna bend until they can literally jump out. So we nail a piece of wood on it to help it to stay firm. Yeah, and also over there we nailed a piece of board across there in the partition, because other pigs, the winners over there, could jump right over in this pen. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. So we nailed that piece of board there to help them not to jump over. We have cleaned these 3 pens on this section. Now we're gonna go over there where we have the 8 bigger pens. The pen is still not yet fixed up. Rhyme is all the way over there, somewhere there, chopping an next post to go somewhere in between here, so that we can nail back the zinc on it, so she don't come out again, at least for now. I'm not even sure where the pig that belongs to over here is. I'll be going to see if I find her soon, but yeah. I don't know if you guys can see those 2 lovely parts up there. Jamaica is such a blessed place. Alright. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice that I'm really tired. I've been here like for about an hour already, doing lots and lots of work. It's just crazy, and the rain is not giving us any justice, but I'm happy again that it's eased up so I can be out here recording and getting some work done. But here it goes again. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's coming again, so I'm gonna get my butt out the rain. Don't know if you guys can see Raheem right there. There's my finger. He's somewhere there. Yeah, and it's raining, but we have to get our work done. We can't let the rain stop us, especially now that 3 pigs break out. We managed to put back 1 inside. Still have 2 to go in. It's all the way over there, and yeah, it's raining. Alright guys, so Ryan is coming with the poses. That's another post we managed to get, guys. It's pretty sturdy, but it's raining as heck. I don't want the video to be so long and drawn out, so I'm gonna wait until we're ready to put that pig in, and wait until we find the other one and put them in, put her in as well. So how are you feeling, farmer?
Not happy.
Not happy? Can you imagine? Alright guys, so both pigs, or should I say all the 3 pigs there, are now in. This one was the last one to get in, guys, but she's now in. I'll be closing the video off, guys. It has been really tough, guys. I don't know how I managed to get my work done and also to do the filming so you guys can see what's taking place, but yeah, I did it though. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, guys, please do so. It means a lot to me. Thanks, guys.